Hello and welcome to Kitchen Treats. My name is Geraldine. If you are tuning in for the very first time, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Okay, and all you need to do is just click this subscription button and the notification bell as well. That way, you always know whenever I upload my videos. Okay, yeah. Today I thought to share with us a pepper soup recipe I tried for the first time and literally fell in love. It's a pepper soup with chicken wings and potatoes. Guys, this makes a lot of sense for this winter season. I promise you. Yeah, so if you try it and love it, do leave me a comment below and tell me what you think about the recipe. Okay, let's get into it. Meet our potatoes, our chicken wings, some ehuru and a pinch of uda, my scent leaves, my utazi leaves, onions, ginger and pepper, our spices. Yeah, I'll be using a mix of meat and chicken stock cubes, one chicken stock cube and half meat stock cube. Then I went ahead to wash my chicken. This recipe takes like it's done in no time. Here is my chicken washed, and then I'll be washing and peeling the potatoes. I'll go ahead now and cut it into half. This is a medium-sized potato, so if you have the very small ones, then you might consider boiling it whole. Yeah, this is what I have. So I sliced up my onions, my pepper, my ginger. Yeah, just get everything ready ahead of time. Now I'll be adding the potatoes into the pot of chicken. Everything will be cooking at the same time, As the potatoes are sizable, it will be done at the same time as the chicken, so it's not a problem. In goes our onions, pepper and ginger. Then goes in our uda and ehuru. I think it's about a tablespoon of ehuru and a pinch of the uda. Then I'll be adding the stock cubes, one chicken stock cube and half of a meat stock cube, beef stock cube I mean. Then thyme, and my curry powder. Guys, I'm using Ducros, but just use whatever you have. Then my mixed spices. This has garlic, black pepper and paprika. I've been using that for long and I love it. Then I'll be adding paprika powder. I wouldn't be adding red like palm oil to this dish, so the paprika served to give it some color. Some salt, and crayfish. Sorry, I forgot to mention this when I introduced us to our ingredients. Yeah, but I'll be using this amount of crayfish. Use as much as you want to. Then we'll add some water. The water level would be like the same level as the potatoes. It's a pepper soup and we need the hot soup. Yeah. So just about this much of water was perfect for me. Yeah, so I'll cover it up and let it cook. Like cook until done. It took less than 30 minutes, I'm sure. After about 10-12 minutes, I added this amount of olive oil Yeah, this much. And then I mixed it very well and let it cook for another, say, 5 to 7 minutes. When you're making this dish, the most important thing is to keep an eye on it, like check it to see when it's done. I wouldn't just tell you, okay, it takes this amount of time, but you will feel it when your potatoes and the chicken is well cooked and ready. Like I'll be doing here in a bit, I just scooped some potatoes and tried to check how, if it's become soft. Yeah, and then when I'm satisfied, I'll go ahead to add my vegetables. That's how I do it. So at this point it was ready, and I added the scent leaf and otazi leaves. Yeah, so I'll just go ahead and give it a good mix, and then let it simmer for a few minutes, say three minutes or thereabout, before I serve it. Yeah, and let me quickly mention that I'll be serving it really hot. Like it's meant to be served hot, guys. Yeah, that way you get all the benefits of this recipe, I'm telling you. So let's cover it and let it simmer for 2-3 minutes, and food is ready. Oh, I can't wait. By now the great aroma had filled the whole air here, and I'm just so hungry. Yeah, so I'll just combine it one more time, and this whole process took less than 30 minutes, like I said. Yeah, you just watch and see when your chicken and your potatoes are well cooked. Yeah, and this is what we have at the end of the day. Yummy and delicious. Yeah, and I serve this like this, and I need not tell you what happened. You'll see at the end. Yeah, the rest of it I just saved in this bowl. It's a microwave friendly. Yeah, so that way you can just pull it out one day in a week and serve. Yeah, this bowl has this vent you open when you put in the microwave. Yeah, so this is the result, the end result of the pepper soup. I really do hope you try this, guys, and leave me comments. Let me know what you think. I'll see you in my very next video. Bye, guys.